Breaking news, China delivers another Bitcoin FUD warning, hinting at a potential crash to 21,000. Chinese authorities caution against crypto scams, raising concerns. Stay tuned as we dissect the latest developments and navigate the impact of China's stance on the world of Bitcoin. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and let's start. Bitcoin price at 80 cents at that moment when this guy on February 21st, 2011 said, just look at the latest Bitcoin difficulty and I'm out. 80 cents, just imagine that. And that happened before and happening again now as people still don't believe into Bitcoin. The bullish case for Bitcoin is net 1% of assets under management, 130 trillion for top 500 asset managers flowing it into the Bitcoin, 1.3 trillion in, meaning a Bitcoin price of 7.3 million, as the bullish as fuck case is 2%, 2.6 trillion in, meaning a Bitcoin price of 14.6 million. If we get anything about the 3% of AUM in a lifetime, I don't even have a bullish enough phrase to describe that yet. Let's go for more. As massive self-custody advocate who recommends it to everyone, it needs to be said that a lot of people just don't want to self-custody their Bitcoin and never will. No matter how much you want them to, no matter how much you beg them to, no matter how much you try to scale self-custody, a lot of people, indeed most people on earth, are just not ever going to do it. The sooner you accept this is better. The world is not the way you want it to be, and you can't force it to be that way. That's thinking like a communist. Also, the Bitcoin is about the 30% away from the new autumn highs. As the best part, the Halloween event is yet to come. And here we could see that after the Halloween it's probably going to be an increase, not the big one, maybe we'll break the autumn high, but then we will rebound back for some slow fall where we will be able to buy more, and then the explosion would happen. Good morning. No, the institutions won't be doubling up selling Bitcoin or buying Bitcoin because they had Monday off. Numbers today, if good, should be exactly the same as Friday on the long side. The X factor is the short side. Meditate up. Also, let's go for more. What do we have there? So you want to scale Bitcoin-based lawyers so that the entire world can have a sovereign savings. You can't, it's not possible. This isn't even a technical problem, it's an inequality problem that applies to any finite resource. So no matter how much you increase the supply of something, there will always be more demand for trivial implications from rich people than serious applications from poor people. You can make LED 1000x cheaper and they will be used to light a giant sphere in Vegas before every poor person in Africa has indoor lighting. As long as inequality exists and the resource is allocated by market bid, a rich person will be able to afford 1000x or more of any finite resource than a poor person. You can either accept this or become a communist and decide that a committee must apportion block space to each according to his need. Also, it's good that few tokens pumped, but 90% of the tokens on Tier 1 exchanges barely had an effect of Bitcoin 38,000 to 52,000 move. Once Bitcoin corrects, good fundamental tokens will get in our buy range and we make more money and gains with conviction. Also, Bitcoin has successfully retested the bullish megaphone pattern, as when the next batch of ETF demand hits the market, it won't be long before the target is hit. Send it to $60,000 now. A lot of people have missed the lesson to be learned from the fact that an upgrade that was 100% going to help scale Bitcoin and make it more accessible opened the Pandora's box of spam that on net has made Bitcoin less accessible. I'm sure next time will be a different though. Bitcoin is building up pressure in this ascending triangle right before the US markets reopen for business. Not sure how to feel about the grip ETFs have on the market, but it is what it is. Looks primed to bring on the boomer bit. Also, potential Bitcoin double top. Should we be worried about this, as it will bring us down to $40,000 again and maybe below that if the drop continues. Write in the comments what do you think on this one. And let's go to the main topic of today's video. China ramps up crackdown on cryptocurrency scams. So today a warning from China about the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency has made headlines. Chinese authorities are warning the public against the scams involving cryptocurrencies amidst broader crackdowns. Officials in Dalian issued a notice to warn investors about illegal fundraising scams turning to deceive them with crypto or metaverse-focused investment opportunities. China's fight against crypto fraud. Financial watchdogs and police in a city in China's Liaoning province have warned investors against activities promising lucrative investment opportunities in cryptocurrency and metaverse. The activities were noted to be in the form of illegal fundraising, and officials also issued a notice regarding the matter. In a joint statement, Dalian's security regulator and 6 other authorities noted that unscrupulous individuals were engaging in fraudulent activities through online platforms like WeChat groups to lure investors into downloading illegal applications and purchasing illegitimate cryptocurrencies. The public warning from officials in Dalian follows several previous notices from the country's regulatory bodies, including the People's Bank of China, detailing the illegal nature of token issuance, financing, and trading. So, China's previous crypto-focused altcoin. In September 2021, PBOC, the Supreme People's Court, and other central authorities issued a notice banning all cryptocurrency trading activities on the mainland. The ban declared service provided by the overseas cryptocurrency exchanges to mainland Chinese residents as illegal financial activities. In contrast, the broader crackdown on cryptocurrency trading and mining by its neighbor, mainland China, Hong Kong, last year created a legal space as broad and free as possible for crypto firms. In June 2023, Hong Kong officially launched a crypto license regime for crypto asset trading platforms, allowing licensed exchanges to offer retail trading services. So Hong Kong granted licenses to 2 platforms, Hashkey and OCL. China's harsh stance on the cryptocurrency market has been ongoing since 2017. As Chinese investors still try to find ways to turn on cryptocurrencies, their activities, especially in the OTC market, occasionally make the news. Aware of this, China wants to deter this behavior with punitive measures. Also, warning signs appear as this key metric suggests upcoming corrections for Bitcoin. Bitcoin climbed above 52k last week, and a level not seen since December 2021, catapulting the collective crypto market to an astonishing 2 trillion. So the altcoins face sell-off concerns. Since the mid-October 2023, most assets have witnessed substantial profits due to the booming market, and according to the latest analysis by Sentiment, the majority of crypto assets have yielded gains for investors over a medium to long-term period, with the exception of a few slower performing altcoins. As a result, its model suggests that there is a notable presence of overbought signals, as meaning the MVRV metric is flashing, suggesting a higher risk than average in buying or opening new positions while markets are amid a 4-month surge. The MVRV ratio essentially compares an asset's market capitalization to its realized capitalization and helps investors gauge whether an altcoin price aligns with its fair value, and when the market cap surpasses the realized cap, it indicates that unrealized profits are surging. Such a case typically demonstrates an impending sell-off as the market players look to capitalize on gains. Outperforming Bitcoin, and despite overbought signals, certain altcoins may have the potential to surpass Bitcoin. A popular AI chatbot, Perplexity, predicted that altcoins such as Solana, Avalanche, Cardano, Chainlink, and Polkadot could not only massively challenge Ethereum's market share, but also outperform Bitcoin in 2024. Let's see if it happens, but I feel like it's not. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.